You know, typically when you're dealing with a clay soil, you know, there's just not a lot of nutrients going on in there. It's always a good idea to remove and bring in good soil to replace it. And plants are a lot like humans. If we're not getting the right nutrients, we can get sick. You know, and it's the same with them. If they're not getting what they need to survive, guess what? I mean, if they're not getting them every morning, they're not getting their multivitamin. Typically, they tend to get a little sick. It's not only necessarily just the nutritional value of the soil that we're dealing with, we're also dealing with a drainage issue. There's too much sand in this. You know, you've got right here, I mean, you're dealing with clay. You know, you can see just the difference in the color between the two of these. You know, what you usually want to look for is this nice lush brown stuff. You know, you get into stuff that's kind of got this kind of a texture to it, and you know, that's what they call the old Canfield clay. So this is actually one of my favorite blends to use, just because of the nutritional value in here. It's going to help hold some of the moisture into the soil, but it's also not going to hold too much. You know, but this is definitely one of the keystone factors of, you know, doing plant installation. If you're using garbage soil, you're going to get garbage results. That's just the way it is. So.